just wanna ride on my motorcycle. And I don't want to tickle. I'd rather ride on my motorcycle.
We're out here for a nice motorcycle ride. We got some more coming.
I don't want to die.
Get here.
Just wanna ride on my motorcycle.
Donner. Beautiful day. Tomorrow's supposed to rain and snow up in the hills.
I thought I'd go up and see Ray. So I went up and I saw Ray. There was only one thing Ray could say was I don't want.
Beautiful day for a ride. Got a lot of bikes, all different
just
sizes and kinds. Beautiful.
And I don't want a pickle. I'd rather ride on my motorcycle. And I don't want to die.
Beautiful day for a ride.
I just want to ride
Nice
my motorcycle.
There's always 80 somewhere.
Everybody here ought to sing tonight. You don't have to sing.
Saturday.
And if you're new here and you don't know the words, I would even rather that you didn't sing.
Up here in the hills.
But it's not one of those difficult songs. Quite simply, it goes,
Bit of wind blowing.
I don't want a pickle.
Beautiful country.
Just want to ride my motorcycle. And anything that rhymes after that is groovy, so you don't have too much to sweat tonight.
Tunnels.
We'll
Old
try
train
it now.
tunnels. Donner.
4-part harmony. Here it is. I don't want a pickle. Just want to ride on my motorcycle. And I don't want to tickle. I'd rather ride on my motorcycle. And I don't want to die. Just want to ride on my motorcycle. That was great. It wasn't as enthusiastic as it should have been, though. Because of that lack of enthusiasm, I'm gonna have to tell you about how I wrote the song. And maybe you'll get more enthusiastic about it. Maybe you won't. It was about the time that I was riding a motorcycle,
All kinds of different
going down a
bikes.
mountain road at 150 miles an hour,
Pure Donner.
playing my guitar. On one side of the mountain road there was a mountain, and on the other side there was nothing. There was a cliff in the air.
Bikes.
You know, when you're going down a mountain road at 150 miles an hour, you gotta be very careful, especially if you're playing a guitar. Especially if that guitar is an acoustic guitar.
Beautiful day.
Because if it's
Supposed to
an
rain and snow
acoustic
tomorrow.
guitar, the wind on the box side than on the neck side. Because there's more guitar on the box side.
Cool view.
I wasn't paying attention. Luckily, I didn't go into the mountain. I went over the cliff.
Bikes.
I was going at 150 miles an hour sideways and 500 feet down at the same time. I knew it was the end. I looked down. I said, wow, some trip. I thought I knew it was my last trip, and in my last remaining seconds in the world, I decided to write one last farewell song to the world. I put a new ink cartridge in my pen. Took out a piece of paper. I sat back and I thought a while.
You're not just on a dirt road, you are on the Immigrant Trail.
Then I started writing.
Cool.
Pulled off the pavement way back, we've been on it the whole time.
I don't want a pickle.
And there was a
Just want to ride on a motorcycle. I don't want to tickle, I'd rather ride on a motorcycle. And I don't want to die, just want to ride my motorcycle. I knew that it wasn't the best song I ever wrote. But I didn't have time to change it. I was coming down very fast.
Good job movie.
But as you all know,
There's some
and as fate would have
mud,
it,
some
I didn't
water,
die.
rocks.
I landed on the top of a
Everything.
police car,
Having fun.
and he died. I drove away on the road that he was on. I came into town at a screaming 175 miles an hour, playing the motorcycle song. I came into town and jumped off my bike. The bike went around the corner by itself, went up on the stand by itself, turned itself off. I walked over to my friend. He was standing there eating pickles. I said, "Hi, what's happening?" He looked at me in the eye
Little
and
creek
said,
crossing here.
"Nothing." You gotta sing it with that kind of enthusiasm,
Having a good time.
like you just washed a car.
Not everybody wanted to come back and go through it.
Just wanna ride on the motorcycle, and I don't wanna tickle.
Out here having fun. Yee-haw! There he goes.
And I don't wanna die. Just wanna
All right.
ride on my motorcycle.
This trip. There's another one. Looks like getting me all wet. Woo! All right, look at him go. He's throwing dirt at me. Gotta go. Here's another one. Huh? Yep. Okay, last bike is coming through.
When I back of that body moves, gonna let my body loose. Suddenly that body moves, that body on my mind. Yeah, help me ride, the silence and mine. For the music we have ride, that body on my mind.
The bike's in the right lane. Then went too fast, I have to do it again slower.